A positive mind finds opportunity in everything. A negative mind finds foul in everything. 6 rules of life. 1. Before you pray, believe. 2. Before you speak, listen. 3. Before you spend, earn. 4. Before you write, think. 5. Before you quit, try. 6. Before you die, live. FO your beautiful thoughts of life. 1. Look back and get experience. 2. Look forward and see hope. 3. Look around and find reality. 4. Look within and find yourself. The biggest suspense of life is that you don't know who is praying for you and who is playing with you. One who knows himself is never disturbed by what others think about him. Definition of fool: knowing the truth, seeing the truth, but still believing feelies. Yesterday is a story, tomorrow was a mystery, and today is a gift. That's why we call it the present. Never argue with someone who believes their own lies. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path. You have a two choices: to control your mind, or to let your mind control you. Don't believe everything you hear. There are always 3 sides to a story: yours, theirs, and the truth. Fake people gossip about everyone else. Real people mind their own business. Never judge people by their past. People learn. People change. People move on. What comes easy won't last. What lasts won't come easy. It's better to walk alone than with a crowd going in the wrong direction. Weak people revenge. Strong people forgive. Intelligent people ignore. Pain makes you stronger. Fear makes you braver. Heartbreak makes you wiser. So thank Thepis for a better future. Everything happens for a reason. Unquestion it. Trust it. Life is short. Time is fast. No replay. No rewind. So enjoy every moment as it comes. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Talk to people the way you want to be talked to. Respect is earned and it given. Respect is like a mirror. The more you show it to other people, the more it will reflect back on you. A lot of problems in the world would disappear if we talk head to each other instead of about each other. Don't carry your mistakes around with you. Instead, place them under your feet and use them as stepping stones. We've regret being a good person to the wrong people. Your behavior says everything about you, and their behavior says no about them.